I'm Roxy, and today I wanted to share with you why you should use a monthly planner, how you should use your monthly planner, and some tips on using it. One reason I love using a monthly planner is because it gives you an entire overview of every single thing that you have to do. It's basically like your month at a glance. You get to see everything that you have to do, from appointments, things to do, deadlines, and so much more. Another reason that you have to try using a monthly planner is because it gives you a macro level view, which is basically a fancy way of saying it gives you the bigger picture. So a monthly planner will have summaries of everything that you have to do, and then if you want, you can go into more details using a weekly or even a daily planner. Monthly planners are also the perfect productive tool for planning if you want something simple, straightforward, and to the point. Okay, so now onto 7 ways that you can use your monthly planner. The first way you can use your monthly planner is kind of like a financial planner. It's basically where you're going to be tracking your payments and when bills are due. So this is a perfect way you can keep track of all your bills that are due. So that's like utility bills, lights, phone, electricity, etc. You can also use it to track your credit card payments, when you have to fill gas in your car, as well as of course our favorite day, which is payday. So as soon as you open your planner for each month, you will never miss when a bill is due, and you will always be on time and never have a problem of maybe running over your credit card or something like that, because you'll be able to see all of your financial details for every single month at a glance. The next way you can use your monthly planner is as a student planner. So this is great for seeing all of your major deadlines for your assignments, projects, tests that you have. You can also use it for your timetable or class schedule, so that you'll be able to see all of the classes that you have for the entire month. Using your monthly planner to organize all of your school classes and schedules and major dates will make you feel less overwhelmed, because you will see everything you have to do and you won't have to think you're going to miss anything important, because it'll all be written down. The third way that you can use your monthly planner is especially if you have a service-based business, such as maybe doing cakes, lashes, nails, or anything like that. Your monthly planner is a great tool that you can use so that you won't be overbooking anything, and so that you can see what days you have free and what clients you can fit in where. For instance, if you are a baker and you have lots of cakes for birthdays, weddings, babies, and so much more, you'll be able to see everything in your monthly planner. So you will see when all of your cakes are due, and you would never overbook yourself, which is something that can happen if you're running your own business and if you have to keep track of your appointments. As a business owner, when you open your monthly planner and you see all of your clients and the jobs that you have to do, you'll be able to create a really good structure so that you won't be running late, you won't be missing deadlines or anything like that. The fourth way you could use a monthly planner is my absolute favorite way to use the monthly planner, and this is how I actually fell in love with monthly planning. So you can use your monthly planner as an entire project planner. When I was planning my pop-up shops and my PR events, this is what I used to keep track of everything. It basically allowed me to break things up into smaller, more manageable chunks so that I would not feel overwhelmed. I would manage every single thing that I had to do, from sponsors, bloggers that I invited, food, drinks, products that I needed to have completed by a certain day. So all of that made me feel so much less overwhelmed, because I was able to see a specific structure to make sure that I had everything ready for the big day. So this is something that you could definitely implement if you are having product launches, events, or anything like that. Planning a big event, be it a product launch, PR event, or anything like that, can be very overwhelming. So that is why a monthly planner comes in so handy, because you can see every single thing you have to do every single day for the month, and that makes you stay organized and stay on track so you won't forget anything. Another way you can use it as a project planner is if you are planning for renovation. So maybe you will have your final date of completion of your kitchen, and then you go into details every single day of what you have to get, what you have to do, things that you have to buy leading up to that final completion date. So everything will be broken down and simplified to help you stay organized. The fifth way you can use your monthly planner is as a social media or content planner. So this is especially useful if you are a blogger or even a small business and you want to grow your brand. You can use your monthly planner to write down notes every single day about maybe pictures that you want to post, content that you want to create on certain days. So when it's time to post on Instagram or whatever platform you're using, you would have to sit down and be like, oh, wow, what am I posting today? You will see it all written down. So maybe you can take one day every month to plan out your entire content for the month. So that could be Instagram posts, blog posts, videos, or whatever you want to post. You can also write down notes about the pictures that you want to take or specific details pertaining to your brand or business. So that way you will always have an idea every single day of what you want to post, because we all know that it's consistency that is so important for growing your brand. The sixth way to use your monthly planner is as a personal everyday planner. So this is perfect if you are now starting off planning and you're not really sure what you should be writing. Some things can include your personal appointments, so maybe that's dentist, doctor appointments, beauty appointments like lashes or nails, chores that you have to do like a cleaning schedule, or maybe you can track your meals and your workouts. So this is like when I mentioned that a monthly planner is just perfect for easing your way into planning. I definitely recommend you at least try a monthly planner if you're now starting off planning. This is how you can use it, by just keeping track of things that you personally have to do every single day. The last way that you can use your monthly planner is a way that is so sentimental, and that is basically memory keeping or even a journal. So for instance, you can use it as an entire gratitude planner where you write a little note every single day about something that you're grateful for. So by the end of the year, you have 365 little memos about all the things you were grateful for the entire year. So you can use it as a gratitude planner in such a way, or you can even use that same approach as a personal journal where every single day you write down something that happened in your life or just something sentimental to you so you can look back on it. You can also add little embellishments or even pictures throughout the months, so you can basically have an entire scrapbook and journal at the end of the year. You can also use this as a pregnancy planner or a newborn type planner where you can document your stages of pregnancy and all of your appointments and things that you have to do, as well as when your baby is born. You can also document little things so you would never have to forget anything. I love the idea of doing one sentence every single day for an entire year, so that at the end of it all you have 365 little memos for the entire year that you can look back on. Okay, so here are some tips when it comes to using your monthly planner. The first way I love organizing my monthly planner is by using color-coded dots. So of course, each colored dot will represent something different. So maybe pink is your workouts, blue social media posts, any purple dots will be your personal appointments like your nails, lashes, etc. And then you might have a green one with work-related things or school if you're a student. So this makes you feel less overwhelmed, as well as gives you a lot of structure, because when you open your monthly planner, you'll be able to see all your specific colors laid out for each specific item. So you'll be able to see everything organized in a functional manner. I love using this way because it's really useful to help me stay organized with my social media content, workshops, as well as of course it's pretty productive, and I find it so useful to use these color-coded dots. If you don't have color-coded dots or you just want to do something else, you can definitely do highlighters and use the same exact method by using a different color for a different task. So you'll be able to see all the tasks that you have to do when you have to do it in a really organized manner. I really think that using a color-coded system in your monthly planner will help you with your productivity and of course staying on track of everything that you have to do. Of course, we cannot forget stickers, and we have these mini stickers at It's Pretty Productive that you can use, and they are perfect if you may not want to write out the entire thing. We have things that says like birthday, sushi, our favorite day, payday. We have workouts, and you can just use that to stick it into your monthly planner for pops of color, productivity, and making planning so much fun. There's so many little stickers that you can do, and I feel like if some people might forget that a monthly planner is still a kind of planner that you can use to plan, so therefore you can decorate it with washi tape, journal cards, and so much more. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed all of these tips on how to use your monthly planner, and I hope I gave you some inspiration to try using a monthly planner if you have not already. If you would like to see a lot more planning and productivity tips like these, don't forget to follow and subscribe for a lot more, because we have so much that we want to share with you to help you live a beautifully organized life. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!